guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I make a new video. So today guys, I'm gonna unbox or haul our order from iHerb. So this order was 19 days arrived in our area, which is Mandaue City. So we have a problem in DHL. So we waited and waited until they finally delivered it today. So here it is, guys. We're gonna open it. So by the way, if you want to order from iHerb, just use the code MAT300 or MAT300 so you can have 5 to 10% discount. So iHerb, we've been using iHerb for many years. Since my husband was in the US, like since 2002 or something like that, and until today we're still using it. We buy supplements, food like nuts, raisins, something that we can't find here or expensive here in Philippines or in Cebu. We buy it from iHerb. I also buy like facial cleanser, facial thing for me or for my husband. Also makeups. They also sell makeups in iHerb. You can also buy for weight loss and other stuff that you can find there. They also have an apps in your mobile, and you can just download it and you can order through there. By the way, you can use your credit card or debit card from ordering from them. So usually if there's no problem from the shipping, it takes 4 days minimum, minimum 4 days, and the maximum is like today's 19 days if we have delayed, especially this time. So if you want to save in your shipping, just use their shipping saver products. You usually knock down your shipping. So here guys are the stuff that we bought. By the way, if you're in the Philippines, from 10,000 peso below, it's a tax free. So you don't need to pay anything, any tax, because I remember before the President Duterte was in position, we would buy from iHerb, and the 5,000 peso that we order, we usually pay like 2,000 plus for the tax. So thankfully this term, the 10,000 peso below doesn't have any tax. Above it, even just 1 peso, you need to pay for the tax. So let's go haul for our stuff that we bought from iHerb. So first is this Nature Plus GI Natural. It's probiotic and it's for kids. So probiotic is good for the stomach or gut. We also have this. How many of this? Let's see. What is this? So we have broccoli from Now Real Food, broccoli seeds for sprouting. So we're gonna try to sprout this. We have 3 of this because like 2 mothers had this for their children. This is good for children with autism. Just sprout it and let them eat it raw. So it's broccoli sprouts. So we have 3 of those. Actually guys, this is very cheap. This is only 200 plus. I saw one in here in the Philippines, like in Luzon. They're selling this for 500 pesos plus the shipping. So we really save a lot here. And actually our shipping here is really not big. It's not more than 600 pesos. So we're gonna check how much is the actual price of this one. So the sprouts is this one is $8.54. So that's I don't know, like $1 is equal to 50 pesos. So 5,400, I think so. Not good in math. And then the sprout, yeah, it is $4, which is 200 plus. I said 200 plus. We have this chia seeds. This is organic chia seeds, by the way. And it's white chia seeds, and it's also $4, $4.96. So it's 200 plus also. Usually chia seeds like this that is organic, this is expensive here. Vitamin C gummies. So beside giving the kids lemon, oranges, and other fruits, we also give them gummies like this for supplements. So the gummies like this is $11.65. $11.65, so it's 500 plus. You buy this in healthy option, this is very expensive. So this is from Nordic Naturals. This brand is very good. They also have the fish oil that we usually use for our kid with autism, and this is very nice brand. So we have 2 bottles of that. We have gluten defense. This is for our son with autism because he really loves eating bread. We can't refuse to give it to him because everyone is eating bread and he doesn't, so it hurt his feeling, I think. He doesn't, I don't know, we're gonna try to give him gluten-free, but this time we have stuff for him. So calcium carbonate pure powder, it supports bone health. This is from Now. This is for the bone. And this is how much? $5.24. So it's 250 plus. Oh, we have 4 gummies vitamin C. That's like maybe 4 months. Next, we have the broccoli sprouts. So I have 4 broccoli sprouts. And we have activated broccoli seeds extracts. So this is a capsule. So broccoli is very, very good in our body. We also have the mucus top. Mucus top is, where is it? Wow, this is expensive. This is $21, guys. So this is almost 1,000. So we usually have this mucus when you wake up. So it is good to promote easy breathing, jurisdictional or occasional congestion. It's non-GMO. This broccoli, activated broccoli, is $13. And what more we have here? The gluten defense is $15. This one, calcium carbonate, is $5. So we also have this dried apricot that we buy, and it's organic. 2 of those. So that's $3.96 for each. And then the last one is the toothpaste. Activated charcoal fluoride free toothpaste, which is $7. So there it is, guys. We have our product from the US, United States, and all of this. So the total of this is less than $150 for all of this. And the shipping doesn't say how much is the shipping, but it's very cheap. So if you want to order from iHerb, just use MAT300 for your first purchase or every purchase that you have to have 5 to 10% discount. So thank you guys for watching and hope to see you again next time. Bye!